What is the theme of this week?
Pet animals.
Pet animals. The theme of this week is pet animals. So what are pet animals? Animals that we keep in our home. They are called pet animals for company. We can play with them. We can take good care of them, right? We should not harm them. We should not hurt them. We should take care of them and they give us good company, right? We should give them food to eat, take care of them so that they are comfortable and they should not fall sick, and we should take care of our pets. We keep them neat and clean. So what are the pet animals that I had shown you? What did I show you? This is a bird, right? It is a parrot. And what does the parrot eat? It eats green chili. It is green in color. It eats chili. It eats guava. And it can fly, right? So you cannot keep it in your house like this. Otherwise, it will fly around your house. So what you'll do, you'll keep it in a cage. Where do you keep the parrot? In the cage. This is the home of the parrot. When you keep it in the house, in the cage. And it can talk. It can sing also. It can talk to you. It can sing. Okay, and what sound does the parrot make? Chup, 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 chup. Okay, so this is a parrot. And what other animal that you can keep in your home? This is a cat, right? Cat drinks milk. So what color you can see? Cat is generally gray in color, or it may be white or brown or white and black, right? So this is a cat and it drinks milk. You can keep it in your home. You can play with it, take care of it. And what does the cat, what sound does it make? Meow, meow, meow. What sound does it make? Meow, meow. And what is the baby of a cat? It is a kitten. Baby of a cat is called a kitten. Okay, so the baby of a cat, the small baby of a cat is called a kitten. Okay, and you can keep cats in your home. And next, what is this? This is a fish. And where do you find fish? You find fish in water. So in your home, you have to keep it in an aquarium in water, right? And if you remove it outside water, it will die. Fishes need water to live. Okay. So this is a fish and you have to keep it in water. You get fishes of different sizes. Some fish are small, some are big, of different colors, right? So you can get different fishes and keep in your home, and you get fish food, right? You can give it food and you can keep this fish in an aquarium in your home. Okay. And what sound does it make? Culp, culp, clup, clup. Okay. So this is a fish. And next, what is this? This is a rabbit. Wow, white in color, right? And his fur is very soft. It has two big ears, two big ears, and it hops around, right? Rabbit will hop around here and there, and it eats carrot. What does the rabbit like to eat? It likes to eat carrot and it will hop. You can keep this in your home. It will not harm you, and you can play with the rabbit. Okay. Next, what can you keep? This is a dog. Okay. And dog eats bone. It drinks milk. It eats bone. And the home of a dog is called a kennel. So you can make a small home for your dog. If you have a pet dog, you can make a small home in your home, and that's called a kennel. And the baby of a dog is called a puppy. Baby of a dog is called a puppy. So dogs are very good animals, right? So what do? They are so faithful. That is, they are so good to their owner. Okay. And what will they do? They look after your house. They'll guard your house. If any stranger come to your house, they'll bark at the stranger. They'll attack the stranger. So they're very good animals. It's very nice to keep dogs in the home for your safety, for the safety of your home and for your safety. And how does the dog do? It will bark, right? Poof, 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 poof. How does the dog do? Poof, poof. Okay. So this is a dog, and it is a pet animal, and it is very good for the safety of your house. It keeps your home safe. Okay. So these are some pet animals, children, which you can keep in your home. If you like to keep pets, you can keep any of these animals in your home, and you can take good care of them. And some of you already must be having pets, I'm sure. Okay. So now I'll hand over the session to Lata, and she'll teach you a rhyme. Okay. About pet animals. Over to you, Lata.
So much fun.
Welcome.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Wow, look at you all, so fresh, so nice. Good morning, kids. Good morning, everybody. Hi, yes, Ahan. Okay, few kids I do recognize few of you, but not everyone. Okay. Morning, good morning, everybody. So before we start our rhyme, I want all the children to just stand up. Please do stand up. Good morning. Did you all stand? Okay. Let's stretch our body nicely.
Good morning,
Stand,
ma'am.
stand, stand. Morning. Okay. Good morning. How Krishna, Krishna, Hemera, Randhi. Okay. I want all of you to move your body like this. See? Move your body. Do like this. Hold your hand. Shake it. Good. Very nice. Come on, jump for 5 times. 1,
Jump.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Jump.
Very good. Now turn around. Turn around like this.
Jump.
Take it around. Take it around. Well done. Suhas, are you not doing? Camera. Okay. Did you finish doing? Turn around. And sit down. Okay. Everybody, please sit down. Good children. Wow, you are such a nice kids, huh? So, very nice. So now we will move into our rhyme. Since we are learning about my I request all children, please mute your microphone so that my voice will be clear enough for all of us. Okay? That's like a good kid. Thank you. So now you all feel a bit fresh, okay? Since we were sitting and listening to so well to theme, and also you had a nice prayer, and also you had a nice weather checking and all, right? So now it's time for us to learn rhyme about my pet. So we have seen so many pet animal pictures, right? Vanita teacher taught us, right? We have rabbit, we have parrot, we have puppies, we have kittens, we have fish, right? So many. So they are homeless. That's the reason we take care of them in our houses. Now let's start our rhyme. I hope few of you might have listened to this rhyme earlier, but we will learn it one more time. Okay? The rhyme goes like this. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With the meow meow here, with the meow meow there, here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. That's the first cat. Okay, we said we will add now another pet animal. Okay, here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With the bow wow here, with the bow wow here, here bow, there bow, everywhere bow bow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some birds, E-I-E-I-O. With the chirp chirp here, with the chirp chirp there, here chirp, there chirp, everywhere chirp chirp. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well done. I am so happy that all of you are moving your body. That's really good. So I will show the actions one more time. When we say cats, you keep your hand, your 2 fingers either sides of your forehead. Okay? Good. When we say dog, you keep your hands just next to your shoulder. Okay? And when we say birds, what we should do? You put your You put your left hand at the front and see. This is how. Show your thumbs up and point your pointer like that and say birds. Okay. Okay, you will get the action as slowly. Okay, don't worry about it. Come on, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Hands on your waist. Good. Very nice, children. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With the meow meow there, with the meow meow here, here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With the bow here, with the bow here, here bow, there bow, everywhere bow wow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some birds, E-I-E-I-O. With the chirp chirp here, with the chirp chirp there, here chirp, there chirp, everywhere chirp chirp. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Very good, children. Very nice. Wow, Sia. So happy to see you, Sia. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Okay, you ready? All of you? Come on, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With the meow meow there, with the meow meow here, here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With the bow here, with the bow here, here bow, there bow, everywhere bow wow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some birds, E-I-E-I-O. With the chirp chirp here, with the chirp chirp there, here chirp, there chirp, everywhere chirp chirp. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. 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 Well done, Rihanna. The whole rhyme she was just dancing. Very good. All of you did wonderful job. Chandan Keri. Very good. Very nice, children. I'm so happy. Very good. Okay, now let's start fun activity. Okay. Are you all ready? Yes or no? I want to see the thumbs up. You all ready? No? Okay. Okay, I can see Rihan, Charani. Okay, Siri, Ahan, Hriday, Hemaira, Pragati, Priya, Drusena. Okay, Rihanna, Sai, Chandan Keri. Okay, very good. Anaisha, I hope I am pronouncing correct. Anaisha, okay. Oh, look at your smile. Gyanvi, Hemera. If I miss any, Suhas, Ashman. Okay, so all of you take a sip of water, okay, children? I'll give you all 1 minute of water break. I request all the kids to have a sip of water quickly and come back because you need more strength. Now we are going to hop, okay? We're going to hop. So before that, let's have a sip of water. Everybody, please do take a sip of water quickly, okay? All done with the water break, kids? Ready? Okay, friends, you're also ready. All of you ready? So if you are ready, keep your water bottles aside, children. I think still few more kids needs to get back. Rihanna, Sharani, Sia. Okay, Ahan is back. Very good. Hemaira, and Suhas. Rihan, you ready? Okay, good. So now what I want you all to do is, children, please get up from the place where you are sitting. We are gonna hop like rabbit. Okay? It's so much fun, okay? But I request all the children, please do stand up. Okay? Please do stand up. Okay. And step back. Okay? Please go back. Move back from the place where you are sitting. From there, you get up and go back. Okay? And now what we have to do is, you can even stand, either sit. But I feel by standing, it makes you more comfortable. So you need to stand from one place, okay, from one end of your room, and keep your hands, see the fingers, they should be like this, and put them like this, okay, just like that. Okay, bring closer to your tummy. Okay, bring closer to your tummy, your both the hands, just leave them freely. Suhas, you don't want to do? Why are you looking upset? Oh, Pragati is already ready. Good, Pragati is ready. Siri is ready. Rishan and Charani also ready. Wow, very nice. Ahan, come on, let's do it. Ahan, Chandan also is ready. Rihanna, Sai, Ashman. Very nice, children. You're so smart. Come on, let's hop. You need to hop, okay? From one place to other place 2 times. Okay, come on, let's hop. 1, 2. You need to count also. Okay, 10. 1 to 10 from one end to another end. Then again, second time 1 to 10. Okay. Siri, you started right. Come on, let's continue. Aman also doing. And I want the hands to be friends. Okay? You have to move. Okay. 1, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. From one end to another end. If I move, you won't be able to see me. Okay? That's the reason I'm not moving. Okay. Very good, Gyanvi. Very good, Rishan. Sharani. Okay. Ahan. Very good. Siri, you have to move, darling. Have to move from one place to other place. Keep hopping. Very nice. What about other children? Anayasha. Okay, Anayasha. Okay, yeah, I can see you. Sai, Rihanna. You all doing? Chandan, Keri. Hriday, Hemera, Ramdhir. Sia, Drisena. Oh, wow, very nice. Come on, let's do it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ahan. Yes, Ahan. You didn't say anything. What happened? Very good. Very nice, children. So once you are done 2 rounds, you can come and sit, okay?
What is Nayu? Nayu is cat. Bunny.
Okay, so children who all finished 2 times, you all can come and sit, okay? And take a deep breath, okay? Just sit and count numbers 1 to 10 on your fingers, okay? Do not have water immediately. Devishri, yes. Tell me, Devishri, you raised your hand?
Still jumping now. Jump chick.
Oh, very good. Very good, Devishri. Very nice. I can see you. Good. Well done, children. You all did a wonderful job. Suhas, I hope you are doing better now. Okay. He's busy playing. Now, all of you kids, please take your seat. Okay. And take a break. Now, once the ma'am will come and take the session. Okay. Over to you, Vansa. take a break. Just relax and count numbers 1 to 10 on your fingers by the time teacher will come.
Thank you so much, Lata. Thank you. Okay, yeah. So children, finished all of you with your physical development activity? Okay, so everyone relaxed? Everyone is relaxed? Now we'll start with the phonic song, okay? So I want all of you to please do the actions and repeat after me, okay? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready? So keep yourself on mute. We'll start with the phonic song. Do the actions after me, okay? So let's start. Ants on the apple, ah, ah, ah. Ants on the apple, ah, ah, ah. Ah is the sound of A. Balls are bouncing, b, b, b. Balls are bouncing, b, b, b. B is the sound of B. B is the sound of B. Caterpillars are crawling, k, k, k. Caterpillars are crawling, k, k, k. K is the sound of C. K is the sound of C. Dolls are dancing, d, d, d. Dolls are dancing, d, d, d. D is the sound of D. D is the sound of D. Prakriti, do the actions along with me. Eggs in an egg cup, A, A, A. Eggs in an egg cup, A, A, A. A is the sound of E. A is the sound of E. Flies are flying. Flies are flying. Is the sound of F. Is the sound of F. Girls are giggling, g, g, g. Girls are giggling, g, g, g. G is the sound of G. G is the sound of G. Helicopters are hovering, ha, ha, ha. Helicopters are hovering, ha, ha, ha. H is the sound of H. H is the sound of H. Insects are itching, e, e, e. Insects are itching, e, e, e. F is the sound of I. F is the sound of I. Jellyfish are jumping, j, j, j. Jellyfish are jumping, j, j, j. J is the sound of J. J is the sound of J. Kittens are kissing, k, k, k. Kittens are kissing, k, k, k. K is the sound of K. K is the sound of K. Let's lick a lollipop, l, l, l. Let's lick a lollipop, l, l, l. L is the sound of L. L is the sound of L. Monkeys are munching, mm, mm, mm. Monkeys are munching, mm, mm, mm. Mm is the sound of M. Mm is the sound of M. Nice new necklace, n, n, n. Nice new necklace, n, n, n. N is the sound of N. N is the sound of N. Old orange octopus, oh, oh, oh. Old orange octopus, oh, oh, oh. O is the sound of O. O is the sound of O. Popcorns are popping, pa pa pa. Popcorns are popping, pa pa pa. Pa is the sound of P. Pa is the sound of P. Queens are quarreling, quack quack quack. Queens are quarreling, quack quack quack. Quack is the sound of Q. Quack is the sound of Q. Rats are running. Rats are running. R is the sound of R. R is the sound of R. Sounds like a snake. Sounds like a snake. Tiger is the sound of S. S is the sound of S. Tiger on the tiptoes, da da da. Tiger on the tiptoes, da da da. Da is the sound of T. Da is the sound of T. Umbrellas are up, umbrellas are up, is the sound of U. Is the sound of U. Victor plays the violin. Victor plays the violin. Is the sound of V. Is the sound of V. Worms are wriggling, wah wah wah. Worms are wriggling, wah wah wah. What is the sound of W? What is the sound of W? X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. Is the sound of X. Is the sound of X. Y is for yo-yo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Y is for yo-yo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah is the sound of Y. Yeah is the sound of Y. Zebras in the zoo. Zebras in the zoo. Is the sound of Z. Is the sound of Z. What do you call these forms and sounds? English alphabet letters. So children, let's clap our hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, let's clap our hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we must practice this phonic song every day. Okay, so we learn the phonic song. So it will help us to read the letters and words then. Okay, children. So now we are going to quickly practice our standing line and our sleeping line. Okay, so I'll just show you first, and then you have to practice on a book or on a paper or on a slate, and you have to show me. So what is this standing line? A line that is standing straight, right? See, this line is standing straight. It is called a standing line. Okay, a line that is standing straight. So it comes from the first line till the third line. Don't touch the fourth line. Okay, red line till second blue line. Everyone listen carefully. Himaira, look here. So this is a standing line from the red line till the second blue line. Don't touch the fourth line. Okay, so what is a standing line? A line that is standing straight. And next, what did we learn? Sleeping line, right? We learned about sleeping line. So what is a sleeping line? A line that is sleeping, right? A line that is sleeping is called a sleeping line, this line. Okay, so it will just be on the blue lines, the middle lines. This is the sleeping line. Okay, so now I'll just show you the board, and you're going to practice standing line and sleeping line, and you're going to show me now. Okay, so you have to just practice standing line and sleeping line for today. Okay, so ready everyone? So from the first red line till the second blue line, a straight line, this is a standing line. Okay, All of you look carefully, then you can write standing line from the red line till the second blue line. Don't touch the fourth line. Don't touch this line, children. Okay, only 3 lines. Standing line has to be there. So parents can draw these dots for the children so that their work looks neat. 2 dots you can draw. Okay, children, write very neatly. Your work should look neat. Red line till the second blue line. This is a standing line. Okay. So red line, first red line till the second blue line, or from the first line till the third line. This is a standing line, first line till the third line. Okay. So look carefully, children. I am not touching the last line, and you all have to write very neatly, only within the 3 lines. So that is a standing line. Okay. Next, sleeping line on the blue line, a line that is sleeping. Parents can draw 2 dots for the children so that the children can write neatly. Sleeping line. Okay. So what did we learn? Standing line and sleeping line. Today we are just having a recap of standing line and sleeping line. Okay. So once you are done, children, you have to practice. Huh? Cody. Yes, the dog's name was Cody. And what did we learn? That we should be happy with what we have. We should be satisfied and we should be happy with whatever we have. Okay, children. So now I'm going to teach you a pre-number concept of thick and thin. I'm going to teach you all a pre-number concept of thick and thin. So everyone, please listen carefully. Okay. So what is thick? Something that is fat, like this. Your wrist is thick, but your finger is thin. See, this is thick. Okay, and your finger is thin. Thick, thin, something that is fat. So I'm going to show you a few things so that you can understand better. See, we have these 2 paint brushes. So this blue paint brush is thick because it is fat, right? So we call it thick. What do we call this? Thick. And this one is thin. The green one is thin. Okay, पतला है ना, तो ये thin है. मोटे को thick बोलते हैं. Thick, thin, thick, thin. Now we have 2 nails over here. Okay, this nail is fat, right? So we call it thick. This nail is fat, so we call it thick. And this nail is thin. Okay, so thick, thin, thick, thin. Okay, now I have 2 sketch pens. I have 2 sketch pens with me. Can you tell me which one is thick? Can you tell me which one is thick? Yes, orange is. And what about the pink? Very good. What about the pink one? Pink one is called thin. This is thick. Very good. Orange is thick and pink is thin. This fat one is called thick and this thin. Okay, see, thick, thin. So did you all understand, children, what is thick and what is thin? Okay, this is thick, orange is thick and the pink one is thin. Okay, so now I want all of you to take your Numbers B book. Okay, Numbers B book, you can all open to page number 6. Numbers B book, all of you take and open to page number 6. I'll show you what you all have to do in your Numbers B book. Okay, so I want everyone to take your Numbers B book and open to page number 6. So I'll just show you what you have to do in your Numbers B book when you open to page number 6. All of you ready with your Numbers B book? Okay, this is your page number 6 in your Numbers B book. Okay, it is comparison of thick and thin. So this pink book is thick, okay, fat, thick, and this blue book is thin. So what you have to do, all of you can do right now. Please circle the thin object. Thin object. This thin pencil you have to circle. Circle the thin object. There are 2 pencils. Circle the thin object, everyone, quickly. And here there is a log. 2 logs are there. One is thick, one is thin. So circle the thin log, everyone, quickly. And here you can see 2 cheese. One is a slice and one is a piece. So you have to circle the thick one. So circle this thick cheese. Circle the thick cheese. Okay. Is everyone doing it? Yes. And then circle the thick pen. Over here, the thick pen. Okay. You have to circle the thick pen. Okay, done? This is number 6. Page number 6 in your numbers B book. Very good. I can see Pragati is doing. Parnika finished? Parnika, did you finish? Rihan, Gyanvi. Who is this? Okay, Aditi is doing nice. Ashman, Aditi, very good. Randir. So once you are done, parents can post. Very good, Randir. Parents can post the pictures of the same in the group. Okay, done. Now you can take your. Finished, everyone? Okay, I'll just give you 2 minutes time. Everyone finished? I cannot see clearly actually. Very good, Rihan. Very nice. Okay, Gyanvi, good. So once you're done, I request the parents to please post the pictures of the same in the group. Okay, and now you all have to take your. What,
How
ma'am?
can we do that? We don't have books.
Okay, ma'am. Did you place an order? If you have placed an order, you would be getting it soon.
Okay, till now, like what we need to do with them?
Like you can make the child do on paper, ma'am. That's the reason I post the picture of the activity sheets every day. So otherwise, once you get the books, you can make it.
Before day itself, so that we can take printout.
Yes, I do it before day itself. Every day I post it by afternoon so that you are ready with it actually.
Okay,
It's posted in the group. Okay, and when you get the books, you can do it. All the children who don't have books, you can do it on a sheet of paper, and when you get the books, parents can make them do in the book. Okay, done? Okay, so now you can take your Math B book. Okay, all of you take your Math B book. Math B book and open to page number 15. Open to page number 15 in your Math B book. And what do you see on page number 15? You see this. Fat and thin. Okay, so color the fat mouse. There are 2 mouse here, right? The fat one you have to color gray color and the thin one brown color. Okay, so now you can all start coloring. Fat one is gray color, neatly you must color, and the thin mouse is brown color. Okay, and the fat cat you should color red color. Below you can see 2 cats, right? Fat cat is red color and the thin cat is blue color. Okay, so fat mouse gray, thin mouse brown, fat cat red, and thin cat what was the color? I'll just check and tell you. Thin cat is blue color. Okay, okay. Done. Is everyone doing it? Randir, are you doing it? So everyone color neatly, very neatly you must color. I can see Rehan is doing that. Imira. What, Randir? Randir, are you doing it?
No, he did circling of thick and thin. Actually, we have created this.
Okay. Okay, no issues. Yeah. So the other one also, the fat mouse and the fat cat also you can color. Okay.
Yeah. We created this and we coloring it.
No issues. Yeah. So once you're done, children can post parents can post the pictures of the same in the group. Okay. Himara, are you doing it, Himara?
Yes, ma'am, she is telling. She'll get the books today. We will go today to pick up the books.
Okay, very good, Himara. So you can complete your work. Okay.
Yeah, she'll do it later.
Very good. Okay. So I'll just give you all Advik Mishra. You have raised your hand. Yes, Advik. Are you sharing your camera?